today we are going to discuss the third point of this nucleophile. Okay, so there are four factors. In the first lecture we described there are four lectures which determine the best nucleophile, means there are four parameters which describes the better nucleophilic character. Okay, so second, this is my third point actually. Okay, 2 points we already described. Okay, in first, if you see in first lecture we described that which suppose that what this is water, this is ammonia, this is methane, so its conjugate base will be the most nucleophile. Okay, so it is better nucleophile as compared to this one. Okay, as such, if you see this conjugate, what is the conjugate, this will the best nucleophile as compared to NH2. Okay, and if you choose CS4, then what happened, releases S plus and CS3 minus, so it is the better nucleophile as compared to this. Okay, so in the first cases we describe these points. Okay, in the second lecture we describe that solvent effect on the nucleophilic tendency. Okay, so there are two types of solvent described here, polar protic, and polar protic means water. Okay, methanol. Okay, ethanol. Okay, in this what happen here, suppose that this is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so in this the nucleophilicity means basic character follows this order. Okay, why? Because of it forms hydrogen bonding these molecules. Suppose that this is the fluorine atom. Okay, so it will be aggregated by these water molecule. Okay, so these form hydrogen bind like character. Okay, positive. Okay, this is negative, positive, again this form like that. Okay, so these are the chain type of symptoms appeared in this. Okay, that's why there will be no effect of fluorine, means basic character become reduces, but in case of iodide the size is much more as compared to this, it will be more basic. Okay, so that's why polar protic solvent not preferred in this type of reaction in which basic means nucleophile is used. Okay, second solvent we describe here, polar aprotic solvent. Polar aprotic solvent means there are several types of polar aprotic solvent in the reaction which is used, like acetone, other is DMF. Okay, DMSO. Okay, so in this there is no hydrogen bonding, basicity will be remain as such as remain. Suppose that fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so the order will be as such, means fluorine will be more basic character, so basic characters. So in this solvent basic character there is basic character is like that. Okay, means it increases this one. Okay, and we also describe the third point in the first lecture. Okay, that in periodic table what is the position of nucleophile. So if you see, this is carbon, methane, this is carbon, nitrogen. Okay, ammonia, this is water. Okay, this is HF. Okay, so its conjugate, if you see, okay, its conjugate will be NH2, its conjugate will be OH, its conjugate will fluoride. Okay, so what happened here, this containing one lone pair of electron, containing two lone pair, though. Okay, so lone pair will be increased as such. Okay, so its nucleophilicity will be increases, being from going yes, right to left, nucleophilicity increases. Okay, so it is the common points we have described in the first and second lecture. In the third lecture we described that uh, that rate of reaction. Okay, rate of nucleophile means which substrate it prefers to for reaction. Okay, to prove its better nucleophile. So if you see it in this, we have mentioned one substrate in which, suppose that if nucleophile comes, so there will be more hindrance like that. so there will be rate of reaction will be decreases. So if you see here tertiary, this one is tertiary, so tertiary will be less, primary should be more, primary then secondary then tertiary, means which I want to say, suppose at this one, okay, so this will be two lone pair of electron. If you see here OCS3, so it will be like that OCS3, okay, so this one, okay, so its nucleophilicity, this is, there is a no other group. If you goes from this side, this is primary, this one is secondary, this one is tertiary, okay. So if you see here, this will act as a phosphate because there is no bulky group, okay. So rate of reaction will be much more as compared to this one, like that. Understand or not? Okay, so suppose that this one, so the rate should be like that. This is tertiary butoxide, more hindrance position, okay, by methyl groups, okay. So rate of reaction will be very less as compared to 1 of 3, okay. So if you see, so it is my 3 points we covered regarding nucleophile, okay. We will also discuss the 4th point as soon as possible, okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, that's why we can upload again and again. And if you have any queries, please subscribe my channel. Please write down the comment in the comment box given below, okay. So we will solve your problem as soon as possible, okay. So thank you friends, we will meet you, okay.